So I got this PlayStation 5. The Blu-ray drive is messed up. And it doesn't power on or do anything. Let's take this thing apart. Oh, great, and it's also infested with roaches. Look at the roach shit all over. Let's test this power supply here, and yeah, we don't have any voltage. A roach must have walked inside and blew it. I don't have replacement power supplies for the newer model, so let's try to fix this power supply. As you can see here, the roach has called this power supply home, and yeah, that's why it's messed up. It can't be this easy. The fuse is blown. So, I mean, I cleaned it from all the roaches, so hopefully that's all that happened, but usually a MOSFET or two goes bad, and then the fuse is going to blow one more time when we replace it. So let's replace it and see what happens. Alright, just got that fuse on. Ah, the fuse blew right away when I plugged it. Alright, I found a MOSFET that's blown out here. Let's replace it. So is this one right here. Let's find out if it's an NPN or a PNP. Alright, here's the blown one. It's a 40N60. That's an NPN. And I found a similar chip, a 25N60, so I'm going to replace it with this one. Unfortunately, this replacement might not work. It's only a 25N. Forget it, that didn't work. I have a short on the 12-volt line now. I'm putting Roach Infesto on the side for a while. I got this other one that just walked in with exactly the same symptoms. No power, no nothing. So this one, however, is very clean. However, this power supply here is good. So there must be a problem on the motherboard. Let's take this motherboard apart. I got the motherboard out here. And we have a one-way short on the main power rail over here. So let's see where it's at. Well, I found a short right here. So let's remove this chip and see what happens. No, it's nothing over here. It's actually the south bridge. The south bridge is almost every cap on the other side is busted. So let's remove this south bridge. To the machine! Alright, I have it here and I align the chip. And we're ready to extract the chip right now. In the meantime, let's reball a donor chip. That chip was removed before we can finish the reballing. Let's go. And I cleaned it up here while it was hot. That's the best way to do it. Alright, I believe the reballing is complete. And yep, here it is. And just with a sanity check here, the shorts are gone with the south bridge removed. And I got the chip on here, semi-perfect placement. We're back on the machine here and we're gonna install. Alright, it's done here and it's going through the controlled cooling phase. Yep, that looks good here. Let's put it together and test. Alright, I put enough of it together here just to test it. Let's see if it powers on. Oh, beautiful. It powers on. Nice. The tester says it's okay. Do we have anything on the screen? We got it. Nice.